Mesothelima Law Firm. Mesothelima Law Firm is a specialized legal practice that focuses on helping individuals who have been diagnosed with mesothelioma, a devastating and often fatal cancer caused by exposures to asbestos. These firms provide crucial support and expertise to victims and their families as they navigate the complex worlds of asbestos litigation and seek compensation for their suffering. Expertise in asbestos litigation. Mesothelima law firms are well versed in asbestos related cases. They have a deep understanding of the science and behind asbestos exposure, its health effects, and the regulations governing asbestos use. This knowledge is essential for building a strong case on behalf of their clients. Compassionate approach. Dealing with the mesothelioma diagnosis is emotionally challenging. Investigate resources. To build a compelling case, mesothelioma law firms conduct extensive investigation to determine the source of asbestos exposure. They collaborate with experts to trace exposures back to the specific products, companies, or environments, which is crucial in identifying liable parties. Asbestos trust funds. Many companies responsible for asbestos exposure have filed for bankruptcy. Mesothelima law firms are well versed in navigating asbestos trust funds, which are established to compensate victims. They help clients access these funds to secure financial support for the medical expenses and other losses. Personalized legal strategies. Each mesothelioma case is unique, and law firms tailor their strategies to individual circumstances. They assess the client's history of asbestos exposure, medical records, and financial losses to determine the best course of action. Now, the sixth point is that litigation or settlement. Massive mesothelioma law firms explore various legal options, including filing lawsuits or negotiating settlements. They advise clients on the pros and cons of each approach, taking into account the potential duration and outcome of litigation. Now, the main thing is that mesothelioma law firms explore various legal options. It means that they check that which option can be good for the patient or the diagnosed person, and they tell their benefits and losses and they tell every aspect in detail. Now, the 7 points is that courtroom experience. Experienced mesothelioma attorneys are prepared to take cases to trial if necessary. They have courtroom experience and a track record of successfully representing their clients before judges and juries. Contingency fee structure. Many mesothelioma law firms operate on a contingency fee basis. This means clients do not pay legal fees upfront. Instead, the firm take a percentage of the compensation awarded if the case is unsuccessful. This arrangement makes legal representation accessible to mesothelioma victims regardless of their financial situation. National reach. Leading mesothelioma law firms often have a national presence with offices and attorneys in multiple states. These allows them to handle cases across the country and collaborate with local attorneys when necessary. Advocacy for victims' rights. Mesothelioma law firms play a vital role in advocating for the right of asbestos victims. They push for stronger regulations and corporate accountability to prevent future cases of asbestos-related disease. In conclusion, mesothelioma law firms are essential allies for individuals and families dealing with the devastating effects of mesothelioma. These expertise, compassion, and commitment to seeking justice help victims secure compensation and hold responsible parties accountable. These firms provide much needed support during an incredibly challenging time and contribute to raising awareness about the dangers of asbestos exposure.